Have you ever seen a building or a street suddenly come alive? Or can this simple projector turn this bunch of boxes, boring boxes, to something magical? This is called projection mapping, and today we're going to find out how this works. I have created hundreds of projection mapping shows in the past 14 years, and this video is where I will break down this as simple as possible. And I promise you, if you're just starting, you are in the right place. And if you're already making awesome projection mapping shows, you are going to get a refresher. This is a projector. This can project an image or video into that one. This projected image, when projected properly onto a flat surface, give us a meaningful image. Let's say we can watch a film here. Regular projection, flat walls, anybody can do it. Boring. What if we take our projector and point it to something unusual, like a box? Now, what happens if we point this same projector onto this box? Remember, this was our flat visual. So when it's projected onto this box, this makes mess. Projection mapping is when you map or lay over a content on an object like a skin using projectors. So we can crop a slice of image, then align it. So we can bend the edges and shift the corners of projection to go this to this. So we may need multiple pieces of contents to put onto multiple surfaces and fine stitch them so that they don't fall off like this. These are all common technical terms used in every steps of projection mapping. The bottom line is, you pick digital visual from a source and lay it over or map it onto some object in real life. The core idea of projection mapping is same for any scale. Let's say you have one projector that is pointed towards bunch of boxes and you have one projection mapping software. You are happy. What if the object is bigger than these boxes? Let's say it's a house. What's the solution? That is not a challenge. All we have to do is, one, get a bigger projector or multiple projectors, and if we go that way, number two is get a bigger computer that can connect multiple projectors. The base idea, the core idea is just the same. You pick visuals, lay it over, mask, bend, stitch, overlay, soft edge, and do all those projection mapping fancy things we were talking about in this video. Hey, remember taking a specific part of a visual and laying it over an unusual object? So we have Mr. Bean dancing, and what if we want to have some color in the background? You can also take photos of an actual object, take it into any software, let's say Photoshop, and cut this piece out and map it on top of itself. Now I add a surface and map this. Wait a minute, we know about projection mapping, but people talk about 3D projection mapping. What is that? We are going to take a look, but before that, you might ask, what is this awesome and cool software I'm working with that is making my projection mapping go super fast and easy. This software is called MadMapper. This video is a part of a complete training course called MadMapper 6 Masterclass. And in that course, you and I took a complete ground-up training from very basics, understanding the fundamentals with multiple example projects. If you want to take projection mapping as a serious hobby or a profession, this masterclass is where you start. Use this promo code to get 10% discount. The link is in the description. Now, what if I make a 3D model from the objects from real life in my computer and play in 3D world? This is where projection mapping gets to be called 3D projection mapping. When you map the digital 3D model onto something from the real life. And why would you do that? Because to create illusions that augments the reality. Now you can make lights and shades become your tools to mess up people's mind. There are a handful of projection mapping softwares which can make crazy visuals as such. I run one-to-one sessions to solve your unique mapping challenges. Resolume, MadMapper, HeavyM, projection mapping content, visual content, anything. Reach out to me in my Instagram. We will talk. Speaking of projection mapping software, I have compared 3 of my recommended tools. Here, check it out to find out which one fits you. And hi, my name is Zunaid Sabbir Ahmed and I'm from a beautiful country called Bangladesh. And hey, become a master in mapping with MadMapper Masterclass 6. See you there.